OLFA cutters are exported worldwide to more than 100 countries. The OLFA story begins in 1956 when the snap-off blade cutter was invented. Through the years, what has driven OLFA? Can we produce a cutting tool with a sharper edge? Can we create a tool that's easier to use and lasts longer? Can we make it safer to use cutting tools? These concerns led to the creation of the world's first snap-off blade cutter. This convenient cutter was created by Yoshio Okada, who grew up helping out in the family paper cutting business. When the idea came to him, Yoshio was working in a printing company and was frustrated when the knives and blades that he was using to cut paper got blunt so quickly. He felt that it was costly and wasteful. Having grown up in the paper cutting business, Yoshio recalled that craftsmen in the old days would make clean cuts using the keen edge of freshly broken glass. Then, the way that chocolate bars are segmented to make it easy to break pieces off gave him the idea of making a segmented blade. Perhaps he could make it so that a sharp, new edge was readily available when the old one dulled. This inspiration, drawn from glass and chocolate bars, was the first step toward OLFA's success. There were many trials and tribulations before the idea became a viable product. In the end, largely due to word of mouth, the ingenious and completely novel snap-off blade cutter was recognized and gained a reputation for providing a constantly sharp cutting edge. And sales grew. Yoshio continued to think about how to make better cutters and devoted himself to creating products for different applications and situations. In 1979, his other great invention, the rotary cutter, was perfected. For cutting circles, for cutting wavy lines, for cutting perforations, for cutting fabric, for cutting cardboard, for cutting plastic, for cutting wallpaper, for cutting plywood, for cutting lumber. The company has not only focused on how to cut things, but has also been broadening the range of things that can be cut. These days, the company has become a well-known global brand with a lineup of more than 100 products. Today, the founder's corporate philosophy continues to spread OLFA's convenience to a growing number of people around the world. The world's first snap-off blade cutter. OLFA's blade sizes and breaking angle have become de facto global standards. OLFA is not interested in merely producing large quantities cheaply. Our product concept is completely different from other companies. What we strive for is consistently superior cutting performance, safety and durability, easy-to-use knives for various applications. Then there is our distinctive brand color, yellow. OLFA is a company that insists on getting things right. A cutter is a tool, and a tool should function as an extension of a user's hand. That is why, for stringent quality control, we insist on manufacturing 100% in Japan. At the same time, always trying to meet any need, we carry out original development.